Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdul Rahim, you know what I'm saying, and we are back with another great amazing graphics design tutorial. And the tutorial of today, well, is it a couple of days since I didn't give out to you guys some tutorials? I guess so. But something which is so amazing is all about the Illustrator. So they're kind of tools which I know some of you guys, you might be knowing them, but sometimes you're like, what's this? And you're like, meh, let me just leave it and forget it, because I'm here on this kind of room just to fix a certain thing. I'm not here to press this button. You know what I'm saying? So on the Illustrator there are tools which sometimes you just have no idea. So I'm going to cover only 5 tools. I won't just get entirely each tool, but let me know in the comments down below if you have any kind of tool in Illustrator you have no idea what it does. Let me know so as I can just help you out. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's what's up. It's been a while, man, like a couple of days. Enough talking, let's dive in. So right now we're actually inside Illustrator, and something which is so great, we're gonna get started with our first tool. Well, ladies and gentlemen, our first tool goes to this kind of list. I'm gonna start talking about the warp tool. Now on this kind of warp tool, we're gonna just drag our shape. Now on this kind of shape, I'm gonna just go the way to warp tool, or shortcut of it is Shift plus R, but I prefer going all the way to the toolbar so some of you guys can understand it. Now on this kind of tool, the warp tool, you can see how much it does. It makes something like a paper. It just transforms everything. It's like taking a trash or something like a paper, just doing, you know what I'm saying. So on this kind of tool, it just does stuff like this, which is something which is so awesome. Jumping out to another kind of tool which is so amazing, it's called the twirl tool. Now twirl tool just does stuff like this. Now I know some of you guys came across these tools and never used them at all. These tools are so important when it comes to making those kind of vector designs, or when it comes to making wallpapers, animations, you know, that kind of stuff which you like and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Another kind of stuff, jumping out to another kind of tool, is called the Parker tool. Now the Parker tool, this is how it works. See how much it works? Nice and smooth, nice and amazing. Jumping out to another kind of tool is called the blot tool. Man, you're gonna love the blot tool. Blot tool. I'm just tripping with you guys. You're gonna love the blot tool because it's something which is so great about it. You're gonna create massively amazing. Now remember guys, we started out with a square shape, but right now just look upon this shape we have created. A square shape have become more like something which it's so incredibly amazing. If we toss in some gradient, it's gonna be massively crazy. But through that, let us just continue with another tool. It's called scallop. Scallop is so amazing. I love using scallop when it comes to creating those kind of eyebrows, when it comes to animating or drawing or sketching and stuff like that. These tools are basically based on when it comes to different types of perspective, like I was saying guys. Another kind of stuff, there's another kind of tool, is called crystallize. It makes like a star and stuff like that. Another kind of tool, it's called the wrinkle tool. Now the wrinkle tool, you can deny it because it makes something like wrinkles. You know what I'm saying? Wrinkles out the are. It makes it happen. So you're gonna try it out so as you can see the results. So we are done with our layout. Now ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna go all the way to gradient. Click the gradient. See the magic. Both. You see how much it is? Now whenever you're using something like a gradient and applying something like these tools, how much they work, you get different types of results. You know, you guys, you can just get more creative and come up with something which is so amazing. We're jumping out to another kind of tool. It's called the shape builder. Some of you guys know shape builder. Well, it's close to Pathfinder, but different scenario. Now I'm gonna just take my shape here. It's called ellipse. I'm gonna drag my ellipse shape somewhere there. Now after that, I'm gonna duplicate this shape and bring somewhere there. I'm gonna make something like a crescent shape. Now on this kind of shape builder, you can click somewhere here, or you can control or shift plus M. It's going to give you the results. Let's try it out. See, shift plus M, it's going to give you the results. After that, hold alt for minus. So there's add and minus, just like the way you have learned it at school. Now we're going to minus everything, and voila, ladies and gentlemen, that's how you cut a shape. If you ask me, I want to just get more creative and make that kind of amazing kind of logo out of it. This is how it goes. Now I'm going to take another kind of shape and a little bit just somewhere there, and I'm going to highlight everything. Shift plus M. Remember the the shortcut of the shape builder, not the shape. What am I saying? Shape. Okay, highlight everything up to here. You can see how much we've created that kind of shape. So if I take my shape, another shape, and drag it somewhere here, you can see we have created a different type of perspective when it comes to design. So as always guys, design is not that much like sky's the limit, or you're supposed to not do this, you're supposed to do that, you're supposed to focus here, you're supposed to jump there, you're supposed to do this. You know what I'm saying? Just get creative, do whatever you gotta do one thing, two things, try it out, do this, do that. You know what I'm saying? Another kind of stuff. This is how much the shape builder does the work. Get more creative and share with me on your Instagram. Tag me so as I can see what you guys come up with. Okay, our third tool, it's called the puppet tool. I'm gonna drag my shape just the same and go all the way to puppet tool. Some of you guys know how the puppet tool works, and some of you guys don't actually. The puppet tool works like this way. You see this point? I'm gonna slice it and bring it just somewhere here. You can see it has become like a muscle. So if I just take it out like somewhere there and bring it somewhere here, and I bring just again the puppet tool, not purple, what I was saying, purple, you can see how much the puppet tool works. So the puppet tool is actually made only for animations. That's how the tool works. We can get more creative and come up with different kind of perspective. Okay, our fourth tool goes to perspective. Control Shift plus I, or just click this kind of shape. Now perspective, if I take you back your memories to school, well, perspective tool is something which is amazing. Now on the perspective tool, we're gonna use basically a square or a rectangle. Sorry guys, I usually call it square or rectangle. So if I drag my shape and drag another shape, you can see you are like creating something like a 3D. Now if I control Shift plus I, you can see how much they all blend in. They blend in something which is so great perspective, whereby you can see this shape and this shape. So if I return back, control Shift plus I, and I just unite this one and this one and this one and this one, and bring it up here and somewhere there, you can see how much the perspective looks like. So control Shift plus I, you can see how much it blends in. Now that's how much you're going to use the perspective tool into something which is so great and amazing, giving you different types of results. Jumping out to our last tool, our fifth tool. Now this is just going to be like a, you know, like an Easter egg. So I'm going to use a mouse on this one since I was using a drawing pad, so I don't want to confuse you guys on this one. So go all the way to this tool and take a star tool. Did you know that a star tool is not just only a single star tool? You see like what's happening here. So I'm gonna just return everything back to normal, to star, like the one we're used to. Okay, there we have it. Now I'm going to drag it again. Now dragging a star tool without you releasing your left mouse, as you can see guys, just hold the Shift and add another kind of stuff, Control, and you know the arrow keys on the keyboard, just try up and down, not left and right. If you try left and right, nothing happens. So up and down, up and down, up. If you're satisfied with that shape, that's okay. Release everything. Skudoosh. Everything will be back to normal. So as you can see guys, that's how much you can play around and get different types of shapes using only those kind of control on your keyboard and shortcuts and stuff like that. So that's what's up. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed on this kind of amazing tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking. Is this something for you, or you're like, man, let me just leave it behind? Let me know in the comments down below if you didn't cover any yet tool which you know about the Illustrator and stuff like that. So I was just thinking about this kind of stuff and I thought that I could share with you guys, so some of you guys can understand how much these tools works. Let me know which other tools makes you feel dizzy. I mean, just dizzy. So thank you guys for watching. It's your boy here, Abdul Rahim. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Make that kind of subscribe button, you know what I'm saying, if you're new here. But some of you guys, you're actually not doing right. You're not subscribed to your homeboy here. Definitely do that. Catch you guys on the next one.